And this is the most essential thing you will want to have on your Silverado. This is super useful for people who are hauling stuff in their truck. What's good? It's your boy Chevy back with another video. What we got popping today is we're going to install this bad boy right here. You might be asking, what is inside of this box, right? This video is for my Silverado Sierra people who have 2007 and newer Silverados. This inside of this box right here, let me show you guys. This is the bull ring. And this is the most essential thing you will want to have on your Silverado. You need this. It's not even up for debate. These right here are called the bull ring. These are anchor points for the back of your Silverado or Sierra. These are for people who actually use their truck. They're putting stuff in the truck bed. They're moving things around. They're hauling things in the back of this, and they need some points to tie it down, because we all know if you own one of these trucks, they do not have the best tie down points. Now, I love this product, and you might be like, how do you love this product? You don't have it installed yet. At one point in time, I actually had these on my Silverado. Then I thought about selling the Silverado, took them out, sent them back to the company. Now it's about a year later, still got the Silverado, and I'm like, I need these things back again. My truck is just not as usable without these bull rings in there. And I'm gonna show you guys how to install them today. Let's jump into it. Now, coming into the back of your truck, you're gonna have little points. One right here, there's one there. You guys see that one there? There's another one that's gonna be up behind this tarp, couple up there, and then running along the other side as well. Now, when I first had this kit, I had the cheap version. It did not come with as many that is sitting inside of this kit right now. Let me show you guys. This kit came with 9 tie down points inside of it. That's gonna allow me to have tie down points all along the side rails around the truck of the bed. This thing is gonna be amazing, especially when I'm hauling things around. The install on this thing is super easy, so let me show you guys real quick. All right, let me jump up in here in the truck bed, but your boy got his Crocs on. You know, when we getting work done, Crocs go on. All right, so if you've never had one of these installed before, you're gonna have a rubber plug in here. I took it out beforehand. Let me show you guys how the bull ring goes in there. So simple setup, this is how the bull ring goes. This is the tie down point. This screw has to come out of here. So screwdriver, loosen that up, take it out. All right, once you get the screw out of there, this piece still stays all together. You're gonna see it has this little sliding plastic piece. It's got this metal piece on the back here. This is where it's gonna hold against the truck. And then this piece is on the outside. All you're gonna do, you're gonna keep your metal piece up here, take your plastic piece back, slide it in, right? Once you get it slid in, let go of your metal piece, and you're gonna wedge that behind the back of this. So let me show you, just like this. Let me show you guys a little closer so you can see what it looks like. Just from this angle, you can see the metal is behind the truck bed. The plastic's on the outside. Once that's in place, all we're gonna do is take our little tie down piece, pull it out just a bit, take our screw and put it in. I'm pulling out on the tie down, screwing in the screw, and this is just gonna clamp it down to the side of the truck bed. Perfect. Now that that's in place, you can pull this out and you can use this as much as you need to. Now you got a whole new tie down spot on the side of your truck bed right here. You pull it out all the way, it locks into place, so that way you can move things around, latch it on there when you need to. This thing has to be one of the easiest installs on the truck, and it's one of the most useful, besides like a truck bed cover. I love using these things. And honestly, if you don't have a truck bed cover, I still recommend these, because you can tie things down, use your truck really soon without having to worry about covering stuff up. You can lock things in and go traveling, moving things around. All right, let me show you guys one more time. All right, so this one still has the rubber inside of there. So all I'm gonna do is take this little pick, get right behind it, and pop it out of there, right? Once you get that out of there, you don't need it anymore. Now I get my bull ring, I'm gonna take the screw out of it, gonna hold the metal piece here, slide this inside. Now once the plastic has cleared it, slide my metal behind, take my screw, start screwing it in. All in place. I pull that out, it's locked in place. I push it in, it's away. Pulled out, and I can now tie things down to that. Such an easy install. I'm gonna go ahead and install the rest of these and then give you guys some examples of how these tie down points could be used. All right, just to show you guys, I got them all in place, running along the back wall and right here. Now I'm gonna put a couple things in here just to show you guys some examples of how you can tie this stuff down so much easier, because the old tie down points, one way down there, down inside of here, and down inside of here. You can still use those tie down points, but now you've added 9 other tie down points. So it allows you to be able to move things much easier, especially with this tonneau cover. covering up that, if you're trying to reach down in there and tie stuff down, it's such a pain. Now you can just go right off of this point here. All right, let me get something on here so I can show you what it looks like being tied down. All right, just an example, say I got a box here that I'm moving. I can take this bad boy. Now this is a ratcheting cargo strap. Man, I love this thing. So it allows it to go out, back in for you. You don't have to worry about wrapping up your ratchet cords, things like that. But I'm gonna go over here. I'm just gonna pull out this tie down piece right here. And I'm going to the other side. Put this one out already. Just gonna take this one right here. Go right inside of that piece. Come right across the top of it. Strap it down, boom. Bad boy's not going nowhere. Good to roll. So easy to strap things down when you got so many different tie down points. Before, I would've had to come way down here, over to that side, or from down there, cross all the way to down back there. Such a pain when I can just go straight across without crushing the material that I'm using or I'm trying to tie down. And now this thing is nice and solid in here. Don't have to worry about it blowing away. Let me show you guys another example. All right, say I got a couple of gas cans back here. If I don't have a bungee cord or something like that, bungee cord is nice to go over and up like that, or sometimes you can go across if you don't want them to slide too much on you. But I could take this piece, have one come through here, say I just want to come across. Nice and simple like that. This is always an option. So I don't want these guys to fall on me or something like that and I'm transporting things. I could definitely go ahead and strap them down using those top points. I can go from up there to down there without having to come up and over them. So much easier, so much easier. Let me give you guys another example. This bad boy is a chair from my kitchen. All I'm doing is taking the strap across it, cross it over, strap it down. And now this bad boy is solid. And if you wanted to do another point, you can go from that point to this one over here and you're good to go. Just that easy. You can transport things. I'm sure you guys get the idea by now. Let's wrap this thing up. And this is how my truck bed sits most days out of the week. Tarp and all that sitting up front. This stuff right here, the best part about this is I don't have to worry about getting all the way back down there to that tie down point down there. I got some up top if I ever need to stretch across the whole entire bed. I got these over here if I need to use those, and I got some at the midpoint of the truck bed. So this is perfect. This is super useful for people who are hauling stuff in their truck. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It was a lot of fun installing these pieces today. Super easy install. It took me about 40 minutes. And let me get an important tip for you guys here. And I know I never said it, but these pieces right here supposedly have about 1,000-pound braking strength. That means you could ratchet down on these things pretty good before you ever have to worry about them breaking. Really good for that. Allows you to be able to move a lot of things and be more versatile with your truck. Anyways, I'll make sure I leave the links down below if you guys are interested in something like this. If you use those links, it helps the channel out. It's your boy Chevy. We signing out with another video. Make sure you hit that like button, hit that subscribe button down below, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.
Yeah, okay. What's up? I've been on a paper chase for months. I've been on a marathon for months. All in all, I can't just get enough.